the one-eyed blooded monster eagle television.
Go fuck yourself.
Presents The Cat in the Hat. No.
In the valley that stretches the valleys from this hill to that hill, that city is Anvil. From shoes and shirts and shirts and shoes.
Don't even think about it.
What do you mean you're leaving? You're a babysitter. Babysitters don't leave, they sit. Baby leavers leave.
Hello, it's me, Mario.
Attention everyone, it's Staff meeting! First, I'd like to welcome aboard our newest member of the Humberflube family, Jimmy Newt.
Mr. Humberflube, I wanted to thank you. Fired. I beg your pardon. Fired. But
Bonk!
Don't let your kids watch it! Before you know it, they're gonna
Masturbate every day.
You're fired! Joan, if your house is as messy as last time, you're
Don't worry, I promise.
Today's to-do list. Number 1, do Nevin's.
You were furry.
What the?
knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. Hey, sport. Call me Lawrence, okay?
Lawrence what, of Arabia?
Even though I look like a steamed dumpling right now. I know how hard my cock is, Joe.
Boobies.
It is hard.
I heard what you said. I'm not going to military school, Larry.
Oh, okay.
This is Tony the from place.
Maybe if you just behave, I wouldn't have to consider military school. I wish I could trust you.
I wish I had a different mom.
Wish granted.
Mrs. Kwan!
To make matters worse, it started to rain.
You should have seen the look on your face. It was like you saw a monster.
a monster? All right, Comdex. Time to die.
Whoa, hey guys, welcome to EB Games.
A monster? Where?
Right here!
That could have gone better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Going up the stairs and going down the stairs and going up the stairs and going down the stairs and going up the sideways stairs.
What was that? I don't know. Looked like a humongous cat.
Humongous? I prefer the term
Sexual harassment?
You know, I like this hiding place a lot better. They'll never find us here. Scream and run.
Who are you?
Who? Me?
I'm the family boy.
Why, I'm the captain, your ass. Oh, yeah! I'm Superman! Where is my super...
Oh, I'm sure he's fine.
Why, I'm the cat in the hat. How about that? Why, I'm the cat in the hat. There's no doubt about that.
Oh, no, I am not. Wipe my feet on the mat.
How did you get here?
When a mom and a dad love each other very much, they decide that...
Eating and beating and eating and beating and eating and beating and eating and beating.
Right now!
Who said that?
Get the fuck out of here! You cryptunculous schnook!
Shut your bitch ass up!
Hold your nose! Can't do this! Don't try and flush me!
Let's see how you like it! Nice spread you got here.
Homina, 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 homina.
Humana, 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 humana. Who is this? Who is this?
That's my mom.
Your mom's giving me a boner.
That's disgusting.
She's 16, you sick
Awkward. Babysitter? You don't need one of those, do you? Now, let's see what the old phonometer has to say.
Phonometer?
Yeah, it measures how fucking stupid you are. Just as I suspected, you guys are both really stupid. There are two treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And the other involves music.
A 1 and a 2 and a chick on my chick.
Hairball.
Jump scare.
Extra. We can't buff up without you in the middle.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
If I'm gonna stay, there's something I want to show you. Something magical and full of wonder. It's called Bell. Damn. Damn! Boy, he's dead! That's a...
I want to die.
Down, Chipper! Down, So, kiddo, what do you want to do for fun?
I want to make babies.
Babies? Oh, yeah! To the couch. Oh, yeah!
The couch!
Oops. I'm staying the whole couch. Hi, welcome to
Chili's.
Hi, welcome to Stupid Products. Hi, I'm sauce. Lay off the sauce.
I'm your host, the guy in the sweats who asks all the obvious questions. Now, here to tell us about his astounding penis for making.
Nope.
Please welcome.
Hello! Now.
He's stalling.
Do you love making cupcakes but hate all the hard penis work?
Condoms are in the drawer next to the sink.
What the f?
Hey there, I'm Cody. Have you ever wanted a baby but didn't feel like getting pregnant for 9 months?
I know I do.
Well, have I got the solution for you with a baby machine? How's it work, you might ask? Well, you
Take off the lid. You can put in
the DNA of 2 people, put it at 350 degrees for an hour, and then you've got a baby. Oh my god.
Behold!
You can put in, I don't know, a carton of eggs. Do you hate cupcake? I know I do.
I'll get you, and I'll look like a bloody accident.
What?
Yourself. I mean it. I will end you.
Cat. Penis.
What about it? Oh, I see. I've chopped it off. Well, that's interesting because... Son of a... Look, I'm a girl. Hooray.
Fuck it.
A few inches later.
Oh, hello. I was just, I really should be going. I'll be right back.
Somebody once told me.
Hey, Vsauce. Massive legend here.
Well, Seymour, I made it. Just
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors yet?
I'm ready for Blanky. Hey, stop! Why? Thing 2 would like to clarify that you call him Dad.
受那很高。
Front flip.
If this were my house, I'd be fast and furious. Hey! Klondike! Bazinga! Take a look, it's already leaking.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape.
Would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausages? Come on, kids, let's go, go, go! I don't think the little girl's even trying.
That's sexist.
All right, Nevins. Dirty hoe. Why am I sexy?
He's waving the white flag. He's had enough.
Cock and ball torture.
Some velvet morning when I'm straight.
All right, soldier, our bogey is in range. Commence search and destroy. What? Search and rescue. I meant search and rescue. Come on. Boo. Time to die. Oh, yeah.
We'll be right back after these messages.
You're old. Groaning like a geezer. Feel yourself a-cracking like an old has-been. Look at yourself, old man. You got multiple chins 'cause you're old.
That's disgusting!
And now, back to our show on the Hub.
Why don't we take my car?
You have a car?
Yeah, sure. Concrete, you drive.
You serious?
I don't know. A little voice inside of me is saying, let the 12-year-old drive. But I can barely hear that little voice because an even louder little voice is screaming, this is a bad idea. Time to take up speed.
Wait! Two people can't drive at the same time?
Wait till Joan gets a loading. Whiz on my taco! I love this job! Bigger boots!
I think there's something wrong with your brakes. Don't worry, I have 3 plans. Plan A, get the BJ. Done that. Plan B, cut your cock and ditch the kids. That could work.
What about that one?
Plan C, trick mom's boyfriend into handing over door. I don't know, I still like Plan B.
Good afternoon, sir.
Just sign my petition with this large, oversized pen that requires 2 hands.
Large, oversized pen that requires 2 hands.
Oh dear God, it's exactly the same.
Why am I sick?
Please give me huggy wuggies.
Pedophile.
Oh yeah!
Fruit by the foot, the first time that 3 long feet of fruity fun. It's like a ride in an amusement park!
You mean like at Cat in the Hat?
Video game.
In a game where you become the gayest cat in race to clean up before Mom comes home.
How can a cat get caught in the door?
Master moves to explore one amazing house.
This is gonna be a good game.
Cat in the Hat, the game.
It ain't over till the fat cat sings.
And that right there is what a shit-eating Graham looks like.
Okay, we did it.
We did it!
And does anyone?
It'll help with our fitness. 15? Wow, must be something wrong with my glove.
You had one job. One job.
I don't know that game.
You are an amateur and a fool.
But I thought you two wanted to have fun today.
You must bear this kind of shame.
Susie. Cromwell. Please.
You don't know when it...
Enough is enough!
You're a lone wolf. Live alone, die alone. Yeah.
Well,
Here goes.
This better not be a mess. I'm...
Dear God! What the hell happened in here? I want all these hoes to know that a real nigga just at the door.
my dick fell off!
Bet your belt to sting. But now they've learned a lesson. Allow me to blow your fucking brains out.
You missed the spot right.
Mrs. Kwan? Mrs. Kwan! Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
Okay. We had some good times. We even managed to work in death grips for the soundtrack. Guess there's just one last thing to check. Phonometer. Looks like everything's balanced. But you lay off the sauce. Conrad, Sally. Fuck you.
Mr. Helmer Flube.
Whoa! Almost got me again. You're fired!
So what did you kids do today, huh?
Crack.
He was witty and cultured and, well, very endearing and tremendously attractive. But in a sort of real way, you know, kind of approachable way.
Excuse me, sir, you're polluting the audio.
You speak when spoken to, maggot!
What did I miss?